Hi guys, Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. I would love to show today how I make this angel. You can make different shape, like you can make stars out of wire too, with all kinds of beads. But today, let's do this little beauty. Let's pick up some wire and start wire wrapping. Okay, so I will make a little bit different angel right now because I will use plain wire for the body, and we'll use 24 gauge twisted for the wings, like in this angel. This one is created completely from 24 gauge. I just twisted tons of wires because I have huge order. I have tons of them done. All the ornaments will go today. Let's see, I never measure. I'm very bad with the measuring. And these were done freeform for me. So I never did any sketch or anything. But I will approximately measure the length so you can guys know how much you need it. So this is like 7 inches, a little bit more than 7 inches will be. So we will need 15, 16, 17 inch long wire. And I will use my ring mandrel. So wherever, like I measure 7 inches, and I will make a little that's the head, and we need definitely pliers for our work. So here I'll put down a one line, about here the second one. That will create a body. And like I said, you can draw if you wanted to, but it's very easy. It's a freeform angel. This wire is thicker than 24 gauge. And let's see how long it is supposed to be. I try to make them almost the same. So you can have fun with that. And then you want it, whatever, if you wanted them more skinny, you can push these wires and make them the angel more skinny. Any size you guys want. Now when the wire meet, you need pliers to hold it because this one is thicker than 24. It's kind of harder. And you just secure both sides. We'll cut. Almost done here. Same on the other side. Now when I'm done with this, you can straighten it how you want it a little bit, make adjustments for the body. Now I will use 24 gauge. It's very easy to manipulate if you work with twist 24. I like that, so you don't need that much. Let's see what we have here. Like 16 inches, 17 inches, but that's enough. So here is the approximately you will find your middle. So go through the head, and I will make about 4 wraps where the body and head meets. 2, 3, 4. After I did 4, I will go around the head, and here we are. So that will be beginning of our wings. Now let's go on the other side, because we have here 3, 4, and I think they are pretty equal, but if you feel like you need to put one more here, so it will look nicely visually, and you secure to the top. Now put both wings up. Sorry, my dog. So now when we both have both wires up, it's a free-form wing. So I make like one big wave, smaller, smaller, smaller. And I will just attach with maybe 3-4 wraps around the body. It's enough, and we can cut excess wire. Just make sure they are nicely tucked in, so the wires will not scratch anything, even though it's not jewelry, but still, you don't want to make a messy angel. And here is the other one. When I made this big order, I never measure each one, so they just a little bit the same, but a little bit different, like one of a kind. So here, the second wing, same, you can just attach to the one side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and cut. Same tucked in, so they're nice. And I did use my rubber mallet afterwards when I finish everything. If you feel like you will destroy the shape of your wings, you can hammer a little bit now. So just a few taps, and then you can start wrapping around. We will need 24 gauge for that. So let me grab some 24 gauge quickly. So I use 2.5 feet long wire. That should be enough for one side. And we will use something like messy, twisted. It looks very funny, but it actually creates beautiful wings. So I just do a bunch of messy ovals like that, circles, wherever, go in each other. Just make sure that they connected. So that's the first one. Like I made big mess, and I will just attach to the wing. Okay. Something like that. Then we can add it attached to the side. So you can, guys, keep going. I attach here and there. So now we have this continue wire, and I would just randomly go to like attach to the main wire here and then bring them together with a bunch of weird circles again, so it can match. It will be completely messy, free-form wings like this, and put it inside. Just make sure that you attach also on the way down, you attach to your frame, so it will be attached to the frame. Ah. Okay. Okay, so you see how the process goes. Like I said, you can also include beads if you wanted to. I just had the order for simple ones without anything. And when you use liver of sulfur and then a little bit polish them, I put also protection, protect the clear, as I always do, so they will stay the same. So that's how I make, that's what I want to share with you guys. But these can be more intricate and more, I can say not complicated, but you can decide the same angels ideas could be the same body sort of, but you can do crazy wings if you wanted to. This look like almost not like angel, but I like that. You can use your swirls. I was playing last night on different idea how to accessorize wings, and I like that too. It's very simple. It's twisted wire here, so the same shape, everything same, but I put a little twisted wire inside here and added a little bead, and also make these rays. So I started with the small ones, then go back and added a long one to fit the shape. I think when I use the liver of sulfur and polish, it will look so beautiful. Not only angels you can make from your wire, you can make all kinds of shapes like stars, snowflakes. Stars, I found it very easy to do if you have a cookie cutter. So you don't even have to measure anything. You just go around your cookie cutter like I did this one. It takes no time, and then just if you have kids can help with smashing the wire. Before, my kids were happy to do this because they call it messy project, and they will be like creating a bunch of these things like a small, they just play with the wire, and then I would add it to fit my corners. So that's idea for holidays. I hope you guys like it, and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and any beautiful ideas that you want to email. I would appreciate that. Thank you guys. Happy holidays. But I know before holidays we can have another maybe jewelry idea, something very special that we can wear. Thank you for watching. See you next time.